I wanted to start this at home, but unfortunately we've been running late all morning. We're here at Gas because finally we're starting the build for the Raptor. I know that I've been going back and forth about the seats, but the problem is the seats that I want to use for my car are a little problematic because now seats, they don't have their own computer anymore in cars. They are connected to the brain of the car, and then the car replies back and moves the seat. So it's not a direct thing. So we were trying to figure out how to go about that because it turned out to be a huge problem with the seats that I wanted to put in the car, but I think we got a solution. And right now I brought the Ghost and Farghini, who's forgot that he brought the M3 key with himself while Buddy's supposed to do all the B-roll on the M3, so he's getting an Uber.
I'm struggling today. We're both struggling.
We have like a pounding headache for no reason. Anyways, we're here at Gas. I'm gonna meet with Tommy. I'm gonna meet with Jeff.
Look, Uber has Espanol.
So now there's Uber in Espanol, people. So we're gonna meet up with Tommy, Jeff, Eric. We're gonna meet with Bray, which is all the team at Gas, so we can finally put the last details together and just start with the build as soon as possible. So I'll let you know as soon as that's done. And I'm sure we'll get into some other trouble around here. And by the way, I know to the guys at Gas, they just do this every day, all day, and they still love their job and whatever. But to me, thank you guys. Thank you, Tommy. Thank you, Jeff. Thank you, Ray. Thank you, Eric, for letting me do this. This is one of the most exciting things ever. I cannot wait to have this Raptor all done and show it to people and have the second one. Guys, I think I already sold the second one, so. Tommy, why is that my chair? Because it's the tiny one.
I figured it was just appropriate.
I need a taller chair so that I can look like at Farshad's and your height. So this is where we're gonna do it. This is where the magic's gonna happen. Tommy, what are we doing right now?
We are working on your Raptor build.
What if you didn't know that? Tommy was like, no, this is the first time I've ever been here.
I just
No
got a
idea.
memo.
Jeff, are you ready to waste a couple of hours with me?
100%.
Rick, are you ready to waste a couple of hours with me?
Yes.
Oh, so nice of you to join us.
I gotta go to the Uber.
Yes, you do. He brought the key, so Buddy's doing all of the B-roll for all of the cars because we shot a huge show with Hookah. The last car, all the way blocking every other car, is the M3 that we just got yesterday.
Here's the keys.
I left it on the counter, legitimately was like, all right, it's here in the counter, and Farghini somehow picked it up. And Buddy goes, did you take the fucking key? And I'm like, no, dude, I made it a point. I put it on the counter, and Farshad goes, So now he's got to deal with that. Tommy just said the Courage GT's done. I don't know. Why was it so impressive just now? Eric!
Sorry?
I hear that Tommy told me that.
Cute, you two match.
Thank you for noticing. It's
You noticed that right there?
Oh, do you guys even know about that truck?
The poor man's Land-O-Lake. How much?
38 grand.
It's a diesel too. Look at the steering wheel. Did you see that?
We were driving on Topanga Canyon and we saw that car parked and we were like, oh, maybe I should buy it. And a viewer saw it. He went and bought the car, messaged me that he bought the car, and now he brought it here. Now we get to see your truck, bud. Congratulations, by the way. What are you guys doing to it?
The truck was originally right-hand drive. The shifter's for a right-hand drive, so we bought one for left-hand drive. We're gonna install that, change some lighting in it, and build a new console with some.
Holy crap!
Damn. Hey, do you know what this is?
It's an 88 G-Wagon. I think he imported it, or it was originally imported from Russia. Something like that. It's a military vehicle.
Would this survive in the off-roading that we do?
Oh yeah.
We could have him bring.
Oh, yeah!
Maybe not as fast as we go. He might be the tail end and
I'll be in the car with him.
Yeah. This looks so good.
The best part is from Russia or whatever.
It's from Russia, baby, with love. I want to see that car GT. So I brought a speaker. Did you see what I brought?
The speaker Rodrigo got you.
So you saw, yeah, I brought Rodrigo's speaker
Yes.
that he got me for my birthday.
Yeah.
And Eric was like, you're going to put this in the car?
Yeah.
And then they said that they found something better.
Oof. What do you think?
I don't know what's, I don't know. I want to know what you did. I want to see what you did. Can I just open the car and figure it out? Oh, thank you. So much better.
once we fix it, we put clear bra over it.
Thank you, because
So you won't be able to do it again.
I have my watch
Ideally,
like
you
an
won't be able to do
idiot.
it again.
Yes, thank you. That's still the same radio. And my speaker is right here. What? What'd you do?
There's the code for your radio.
You just, thank you.
Don't steal that. Now if anybody steals your radio, they're gonna have the code.
Thank you. You just fixed the radio?
Yeah. Well,
Thank you.
I fixed the radio and I added something.
Show me now. On. It's working.
So I went ahead and programmed all your radio presets for you.
Thank you.
I got all your favorites. All your favorites.
Casi $10,000. Wait, go back. No.
I love this song. It's my favorite.
This is my shit.
You have a CD player, but it added a Bluetooth module, so now you can play music from your phone.
Get out of here. To the original radio. Dude, you're a fucking king, a god of this shit.
Don't play too much, but... Eric, thank you so much. This is so dope. Dude, wait, no, you don't need it. You don't need it. You don't need this.
Ray, or should I say Rambo?
Rambo? You guys look like you Rambo today. You going hunting or something?
Damn it! This is on us, Farghini, because we knew. Hey, Ray, we're gonna talk some Raptor stuff with you and Eric.
We're gonna electrify the Raptor.
We're gonna electrify the Raptor, and you're gonna be the head of the project.
Hey, Ray, do you see they got a Tesla?
We're gonna take you out on a Tesla.
We're gonna come back next week. We're gonna take you on a Tesla ride.
Why?
Actually,
Dude,
you know what?
we feel like you'd
Hey,
love it.
You know what? Ray keeps talking about torque and acceleration and stuff. Let's go. We'll take a Tesla. You pick something and we'll go.
Okay.
All right.
And on to stage 2 of this build. Right here, we have a brand new Raptor. We have the Rolls Royce. Jeff, Tommy, and everyone, we're all on the same page. It's just a matter of showing it to Eric and Ray and see what can legitimately be done and what's gonna be harder to do, because nothing is fucking impossible to these guys, and that's what we're here. So, Farghini, I feel like we need to add a little bit extra on the truck too. Like, what do you think? Remember that we were talking in the podcast, maybe a toilet or something? So suicide door. How do we feel about that?
Did you just say suicide door?
How do we feel about that?
That would be fucking
Look like it rolls. Suicide the rear doors.
Can we change this plate?
Yes.
If you can do like a nice reach up repair. We already talked about the seats, what we're looking for in the seats. In here, I don't have carbon fiber shifter, so if we can get either the carbon fiber shifter or black.
Alejandro, so my Raptor has all the stuff, the carbon fiber, the... so if you need it, I can...
Thank you, Farghini.
Okay.
Thank you.
You buy a Raptor, he buys a Raptor.
Yes.
You wear camo, he wears camo. Noticing a trend
Shirt,
here.
look at his shirt.
Things are going great.
Alejandro, we're metamorphing into one
Into
person.
one person. Into a small version.
Why small? Why small? Why can't we go use my height?
So we just came back from lunch. We went to actually eat lunch with all of these guys. It was so much fun. The one thing is, Farghini and I have had a headache since yesterday. I don't know what the hell it is and what's getting us. We're not entirely sure. So right now what we're gonna do is we're picking up the Curry GT and taking that baby home. And I can't believe I'm gonna have Bluetooth in that thing. Thanks, Eric. Thank you again. And then on the RSI, I'll grab it tomorrow because we came 2 different cars. Eric's done with the plate work right here, which thank you, Eric, because I couldn't fit a regular plate right here. And also, it has a little carbon thing here. This was a temp solution where we figure out what the hell to do here for the part. But other than that, the car looks fucking clean, ready. Look at this. Look at it's got battery. Oh, I got a new battery. You're right. Thank you, Tommy.
Battery in it.
It works with the Mexico system?
Somebody that likes battery operated cars, you sure as shit don't know goddamn thing about batteries.
We were just saying, because we're looking at the car, it's not tinted. But we're gonna tint the Beetle. That's the whole point of this. Also, what the fuck is this? Are you gonna take it off and he's gonna say something weird?
We didn't put anything on there.
What the?
That was on there when you brought it in.
What the fuck is that? And why are we just noticing now?
We never put this
Car
on.
sitting here for so long, you forgot what it looked like.
Does it? Yes, that's true. Thank you, Eric. Can we remove this, please? Farghini, you ready to take your headache home?
Maybe with a heat gun. Yes.
We're out, Lee.
Whew. And we're home. Just like that. My head is destroying me. Farghini's dying inside. I really don't know what the fuck we ate. But meanwhile, Buddy has been taking care of all of this. Look at the mountain, by the way. It's getting back again to look like the Teletubbies live right there. So Buddy's been doing B-roll all day for all of the cars, so look at this. So that we can do a garage update, which will be coming on next. With that said, if anyone needs a Bluetooth component for their radio stock in the Curry GT, honestly call Eric. That dude fucking destroyed it. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm protecting my head so mine doesn't hurt like yours.
In Farsha, dude, both of us like are dying.
Yeah.
Our eyes, there's pressure right here. I have no idea what it is.
It's probably like a supermoon or something.
I'm sure it has nothing to do with it. Either way, I'm gonna leave you with, I wanna take a nap. I haven't taken a nap in a long time. I just feel so shitty. And just so you'll know, that's a luxury, homies. If you're one of the dudes that can take a nap in the middle of the day because your job allows it or school, enjoy it. I'll leave you with that, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.